Hey, what's going on, guys? Mondo Squad here, back with another video. Today, guys, I'm in my backyard again, and today I'm going to be showing y'all the Vegan Squad Mondo kit right here. Got it at Academy for $25 and has 5 things inside. On the back, it shows you everything that it has. It has a clutch, some saucy swimmers, a grass hero, a Hummer, and a face mask, a net gator. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna open it up and show you everything on the inside. So first up, I have the net gator right here. Pretty cool. It has like vegan right there, and then it has the logo on it a couple times, like there and there. Cool does that one? It says Vegan Squad in gray. Cool mask right there. My brother, he wears this to school. So yeah, guys. Next up, I'm gonna get it out. The Vegan Squad clutch. This is, I'm not sure what color this is. Let me find it. Never mind. Okay, this is a Vegan Squad clutch. It's kind of got like a little lime green color on the bottom, and it's got like a little chrome on the top. Auto work great with that white on the side. Oh yeah, that's good. Next up, I have a Vegan Squad Hummer. This is the white one. I took it out of the package. It's the white one though, and that ought to work good. Holt has one of those, and he's caught a bunch of fish on it. Next up, guys, we have this saucy swimmers. This is the 3.3 inch. Right here, this is the green pumpkin blue color. It's kind of like got green. It's green pumpkin with blue flakes in it. Pretty good color. And then last but not least, the grass hero right here. Awesome bluegill kind of pattern. Ought to work great. Put that saucy swimmer on the back of there, and it ought to catch them pretty good. So yeah, guys. Right now, we're not having a whole lot to do. It's kind of cold right now. It's about 50. So not a whole lot of fishing being done. We're just trying to post a little bit here and there. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Let's try to get to 100 subs by the end of the year. If we do that, guys, I don't know what we'll do. Might do a giveaway or something on our Instagram. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe and get us to 100 subs. We're halfway there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.